This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need a signed-in Google account first. Once signed in, open Google Maps or search and find the exact business listing you visited. Tap or click the Reviews or Write a Review button to begin. This starts the review flow immediately. Make sure your account name and photo are set if you want them attached, because visibility helps credibility. If you can't find the business, try the address or alternate name and make sure location services are enabled on mobile. Begin by selecting the star rating that matches your experience, then write a Focus 2-4 sentence review explaining what happened and why you felt that way. Add photos or short videos to support claims, because visual evidence increases trust and visibility. Use transitional words to explain cause and effect. For example, because the server was attentive, the meal arrived quickly. Make sure you avoid personal attacks, private info, or irrelevant content, since Google may remove policy-violating reviews. When you're ready, tap Post and your review publishes immediately. Once done, you can edit or delete it through your contributions reviews if you need to correct details. Make sure to monitor responses from the business and use edits to add resolution details, because follow-up information increases usefulness. If posting fails, check that your account is in good standing, that location permissions are enabled, and that you didn't trigger Google's spam filters. If problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.